A crashed Ka-52 helicopter was found in the Kyiv region. To the northwest of Kyiv, a fallen Ka-52 helicopter was found, which does not have identification marks. Visually, there are no damages on the combat vehicle. However, the helicopter crew did not release the landing gear before landing, which indicates its urgency. This, by the way, does not exclude the possibility that the combat rotorcraft could encounter any technical malfunctions. In the presented photos you can see the crash site of the Ka-52 helicopter. The helicopter has no markings. At the same time, the fate of its crew remains unknown. There were no pilots in the cockpit, however. The aircraft has a full ammunition load, as evidenced by the corresponding photographs. It should be noted that earlier one of the Ka-52 helicopters had already been shot down in the Gostomel area. However, there were also no identification marks on the fuselage of the latter, allowing us to assert that the combat rotorcraft belonged. According to a number of data, the Ka-52 helicopter could have crashed on March 1st, however, due to the lack of official statements on this matter, this fact could not be established for certain.